Hello friends, welcome again to GIS Pathshala. So friends, in the last video we finished exercise 5.2 question number 1 and 2. Now let me move towards the question number 3. In the question number 3, draw the pie chart of the following information. So here information is given different color: blue 18, green 9, red 6, yellow 3, total 36. We have to make the pie chart of this information. Okay, so let me see how to draw the pie chart for this. So all data I wrote over here. So now simply we have to find out the angles for the different colors. So first of all, blue is 18, so 18 divided by 36 multiplied by 360, because we know that the central angle, total 360 angle is there in the circle. So now if we cut 30 tens are 360 and 18 tens are 180, so 180 it's a blue color. So let me draw 180 a blue color. So this is my circle. Okay, so here 180. Okay, so this one is 180 degree, it's a blue. Now green 9, so 9 divided by 36 multiplied by 360, 36 tens are 360, 9 tens are 90, so a 90 degree is a green. So with the help of protractor we have to measure here 90 degree. So 90 degrees over here, so just join it with. So this is our 90 degree green. Now red 60 degree, so from here 60 degree it is 0, so 60 degrees over here, 60 degree. So remaining is the 30 degree. So here our pie chart is ready. 60 degree is the red one and 30 degree is a yellow. So here like this our pie chart is ready now. So you have to draw this pie chart with the help of scale, protractor and pencil. Now let me move towards the question number 4. So question number 4 is that the pie chart is given different percentage: 90% mathematics, social science 65%, science 80%. So it is given total 540 marks. Total marks are given over here. So from this we have to find the different marks of the given subject. So question 1: in which subject did the student score 105 mark? So in which subject students score 105 mark? So we have to convert the percentage, convert this percentage to the mark. So how can we change it? Okay, so friends, simply first of all we know that if you do the addition of all, so it is a 360 degree. Okay, so 540 total marks, so 540 marks is equal to 360 degree, right? So let me find out. Take 105 marks. What is the central angle? Central angle क्या है वो हमें पहले find करना. So here 360 degree divided by 540, total 540 and divided by 105. If we cut these all, 0 cut. Now 6 are 36, 6 9 are 54, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. Now 3 35 are 105, 35 to the 70. So 70 degrees of Hindi. In Hindi they got 70 marks, in say 70% in Hindi. In Hindi marks are already given 105 marks are already given 105 mark. So here we got 70% Hindi. Now the next is marks obtained in the maths. So how can we find? So in the question it is given 90% in the maths. So 90 divided by 360 multiplied by 540. If we cut this 0 9 4s are 36 and 540 divided by 4, so 135. So 135 is the marks in the maths. Now in the second question they ask that how many more marks they can get in maths than Hindi. Maths में कितने ज़्यादा marks है हिंदी की compare में. So friends, we know that in Hindi they are having the 105 mark, 105 mark. So 135 minus 105 is equal to 30 marks. So 30 marks more he get in the maths than Hindi. Now in third question it is given over there how many more marks they are given if we do the addition of SS and maths or science in Hindi. So if we do the addition of both, so we know that in SS and maths they get more mark. Okay, so simply we have to write down like this. Now let me move towards the question number 5. In the question number 5, different language and the number of student is given, and we have to draw the pie chart from the following data. Hindi 40 student, English 12, Marathi 9, Tamil 7, Bengali 4, total 72 student. So we have to draw the pie chart of total 72 student. Okay, so we have to convert it into the angles. Okay, how can we convert? 40 divided by 72 multiply by 360 like this. Let me see how to do it. Here the data is given in Hindi 40 marks, total 72 marks. So 40 divided by 72 multiply by 360. So how can we cut it? So we know that, friends, 36 2s are 72. 36 2s are 72. Here 1 and 1 0 is there, 10. 2 5s are 10. 40 5s are 200. 200 degree angle. So Hindi we have to draw the angle of 200 degree. So here I consider is a 0. Okay, so now let I measure 200 degree. So 200 degree is over here. Here 180. Okay, if we do here 180 degree, now 180 to 180 में कितना ऐड करना है फ्रेंड्स हमें? 20 डिग्री, राइट. 100 में 20 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें मिल गया 200 डिग्री. सो ये हो गया हमारा 200 डिग्री. सो ये इज 200 डिग्री हिंदी. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इंग्लिश 12 divided by 72 multiply by 360. So in table of 12 6 are 72, 6 6 are 36, so 60 degree. 60 degree Hindi, so 60 degree English. So let me measure it. $60 degree English. Now the next one, Marathi 9. So 9 8s are 72. Okay, 8 4s are 36, 8 45s are 360, 8 4s are 32, and then 5 25. So 45 degree Marathi. So here we have to take 45 degree Marathi. Okay, now remaining was Bengali. So it's a 20 degree Bengali. Sorry, Tamil is remaining. Tamil. So 36 2s are 72. Here 10, 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. 35 degree Tamil. So here 35 degree. Okay, it's 35 Tamil. And the last one is the 20 degree Bengali. So here our pie chart is ready now. So friends, complete this exercise in your notebook. Draw the pie chart properly, neat, clean, with the help of scale, pencil and the protractor. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.